Natasha. I mean, it's my hands. So today I'm just gonna show you how I get my nails done. I do it all by myself at home. This is how I achieve fake acrylic nails in less than 10 minutes. So if you want to know how to get these nails, make sure you keep on watching. My nails literally never grow, like I don't know why. They're very brittle. I've tried everything but they never seem to grow. So I got these acrylic nails, fake acrylic nails or press-ons from Amazon, and they were really cheap. They were like $1,000 or something, and you get like 600 pieces, all of these pieces basically. And yeah, so I'm gonna start with trying and sizing them. So this one fits my thumb perfectly. As you can see, I'll show you zoom in shots. I mean, it's transparent so you can barely tell, but it has to just slide in perfectly like this and fit your whole nail bed. And it shouldn't be touching your skin at the sides. So the same way I'm going to take all of the nails and just going to size them according to each nail and see which one fits which. Obviously the ones that fit my nails might not fit yours the same way, but this packet literally has like 600 pieces of different variations, so they have like almost every size. I also got this nail glue. This was separate, not with the packet, and this was also from Amazon. I'll link all of these links down below if you wish to purchase it. I'm just gonna brush the glue on and then press the nail on. Once this sits on your nail bed, this literally looks like your nail. You can't tell the difference. That's what it looks like. I know they're crazy long and I will never be able to manage anything in my life with this. So I also got this nail file from Vega. This was also from Amazon. Again, link down below. I also got this nail trimmer, I believe that's what it's called, I'm not sure. This I got from Beauty Center in Car, and basically it's a little better than using normal nail clippers because that breaks these fake nails. So now I'm obviously going to cut them to the size that I wish to keep and file them accordingly. And yeah, this is basically the process that I do to get my nails done. You can see here the size of the original nail that they send you and the size that I want to keep. Honestly, I know this is a little shorter. Normally people wouldn't want fake nails that are so short, but I really cannot grow my nails for I don't know what reason. They do not wish to grow on my fingers. This is a great alternative. It's also so manageable. So this is what it looks like, all trimmed and filed. I really like the way this shape is. It's almost like an almond shape but a little point, not exactly like a stiletto but kind of. So now I'm just going to add some nail polish, and this one is from Maybelline and it's the Party Girl collection in Tequila Sunrise. It's such a gorgeous color and it has these amazing chunks of glitter which look so beautiful. Is the final result. This is how my nails get done. I really love the way these nails look and feel, and they're so comfortable. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button down below and also subscribe to my channel, and there will be a lot more videos from where this came from. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.